Okay, there's my buy, put in my stop, 29292975, and then my limit will be 29392. Go one just below. All right. So if I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. Okay. So here's what we got going on. Okay. We have a up Fibonacci. We have the markets in the buy zone. We have a blue dot higher than this blue dot above the purple line. The 1 hour time frame is near resistance. I could win, I could lose. And so I have a good plan. I did what I said what I'm doing. And so now let the thing do its thing. Now, one of the things I like to do is I do like to monitor the count, right? And so if I am up over 100 plus ticks, I like to get a little bit defensive, meaning that I like to lock it in. But I have my stop below the Fibonacci. I have my limit at the extension. And so now I have a gold dot lower than this gold dot, indicating the sellers could be taking control. And the reason why that is because the 1 hour time frame looks as if it's holding a little bit at resistance at that counter trend line right there. But you can see support did hold at the backside, which is great. Now, what am I going to do if I lose this trade? Well, then I'm going to move on to the daybreak strategy. All right, so I got to move my limit to 29372. 29372. So 29372.25. Why? Because we have a blue retrace. We have a blue 786 retrace. Now, what I like to do when we get to this level, I like to add to my trade just because of the risk versus reward. And they go to the limit. 29732. All right, I got to make an adjustment to the limit. So now the limit is 29364.25. 29364.25. All right. So I have my stop, I got my limits, I got my entry. And so there's nothing for me to do now. Let the thing do its thing. And if I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. Once I'm up 100 plus ticks, I can get a little bit defensive here. But it looks like the market's going to want to run to my limit here. So let's see. I'm up 83 ticks right now. We're very close to the limit. And sometimes it acts like a gravitational pull. It'll pull it up. But let's just see. You know, was it last week? The market came very close to the limit. But holding your trade to the limit is a discipline. And holding your trade to the stop is a discipline. Type in a yes in the question section box. You can see the trade is done. We're out of the market. And what was the total? The first trade that we did, we got out at 29364 minus 29355 times it by 4. We made 36 ticks on the first trade. The second trade, 29364 minus the entry 29316.25 times it by 4, 191. And so between these two trades, this was 227 ticks.